मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा। सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले, बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा।
Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Master, studying in standard 3rd year. Today I am going to represent our state Maharashtra. Maharashtra state is formed on 1st May 1960 by splitting the Bellingham Bombay state, which had existed since 1956, into majority Marathi speaking language in Maharashtra. Our governor Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshari preserved, protects and defend the constitution. Our CM Shri Uddhav Thackeray has all right and will to make betterment of a chief minister head a state government's council. Hello everyone, myself Savni Deepak Kumar, studying in standard 3rd division A. Today I am going to speak about the introduction on Odisha. Odisha is formed on 1st April 1936 and famous situated on the Bay of Bengal and famous for the ancient Hindu temples. The language of Odisha is Odia, which is also spelled as Odia. Mr. Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha, and Mr. Navin Patnaik is the chief minister who serves in the current and the 14th chief minister of Odisha.
Teachers and my all dear friends. Today I am going to tell about map of Maharashtra. Capital Mumbai and Pune are capital of Maharashtra. Nagpur is the winter capital of the Maharashtra and third largest city in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is divided into 36 districts. These 36 districts are further divided into 109 subdivisions. Boundaries. Maharashtra is bounded by Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Goa, etc. Population. Population of Maharashtra is 11.42 crores. River. There are 6 major rivers: Godavari, Tapi, Krishna, Narmada, Mahanadi, etc. Mountain ranges: Raigad, Rajgarh, Torna, Pratapgarh, etc.
My name is Rudra Dukande. My school name is PVC Vidya Bhavan in Ghatkopar. Our country India is made up of different states. Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Under this slogan, I am giving the information about physical features of the Odisha state through the map. Bhubaneswar is the capital of the Odisha state. There are 30 districts. Population of the Odisha state is 4 Magadi. These are the important rivers in the Odisha state. Odisha is bounded by the state of Jharkhand and West Bengal to the north and northeast, Bay of Bengal to the east, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana to the south, and Chhattisgarh to the west.
Everyone, myself Aradhya Deepak Rokde. I studied Pune Vidya Bhavan School in 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell you information about symbols of Maharashtra state. The state animal of Maharashtra is Indian giant squirrel. The state flower of Maharashtra is pride of India. The state bird of Maharashtra is yellow-footed green pigeon. State emblem of Maharashtra is Samay Diya lamp. Thank you. Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. My name is Guru Darve. I am going to say information of Odisha. The ancient name of Odisha was Kalinga. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The famous temple of Konark is in Odisha. The state bird is Indian ruler. The state flower of Odisha is Ashoka flower, and the state animal is Sambar deer. The state symbol or emblem is warrior and a horse, which is found at Konark Sun Temple. Thank you.
Maharashtra has a tropical climate with 3 distinct seasons: summer from March to May, monsoon from June to September, and winter from October to February. However, dew and hail occur sometimes depending upon the seasonal weather.
Today I am going to say on Odisha weather. Odisha enjoys a tropical climate mainly because of its proximity to the sea. Here summers are very hot and monsoons very oblique. The average annual rainfall in the state is about 200 centimeters. Odisha experiences 3 main seasons. First one, summer season. Second one, winter. Third one, monsoon.
Hey Swarna, how are you? I am good. What about you? I am fine. What about the project that teacher gave us? Oh, wait, about the occupation. Yes, we have to find the occupation of Maharashtra and Odisha. I just googled it and read that the agriculture is the main occupation of Maharashtra. Yeah, I too found that the agriculture is the main occupation of Odisha. But can't talk about the same occupation of India. Don't worry, I have found that the Odisha has a key state with regard to minerals and metals, aluminium, iron and steel. My name is Seva Rani and I am going to speak about dress code of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is known for its natural beauty and heritage. Traditional wear of Maharashtra may include dhoti, also known as dhotar, and feta, while a choli and 9-yard sari known as nawari or logda is what the women wear. They also wear traditional ornaments to complete their look such as Lakshmi Har, Thushi, Mohanmal, Kamarpatta and Kodia. And the most important is the nut, that is nose pin. Complete the shingar by wearing a half moon bindi called a chandrakoor. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am Sia Keshwani. Today I am going to tell you about the Odisha dress. As you know that Odisha is in eastern Indian state of India by the beautiful Bay of Bengal. Odisha people are very religious. This reflects in the costume as well. It has an extant culture and is popular for classical dance. Women wear different types of sarees to show their special look. Famous sarees include Katika sari, Bomkai sari and Sambalpuri sari. Men also like to wear their traditional outfits. Their attire is dhoti, kurta and gamcha. The main member of the family is the eldest man who follows this religious costume strictly so that others also stay in touch with their culture and wear their traditional costumes. Thank you.
एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत।
Hello everyone. Today my name is Trisha Ninatlal. I am from PVGS Vidya Bhavan Primary English School. So today my topic is Maharashtra's temple. First, Shirdi temple. Second, Moreshwar temple. Third, Trimbakeshwar temple. Fourth, Mumbadevi temple. Fifth, Siddhivinayak temple. The goddess Mumba was better for the Marathi speaking Agri and poets. The origin of the seven islands of Bombay. She is investigated as a black stone statue in the temple. And root of Mumbai that is popular in Mahamba or Great Mother. Thank you. Good evening, my respective madam, teacher and my all dear friends. My name is Garvin. I am in third standard. Today I am going to tell you about Odisha temple. Name of the temple of Odisha. First, Sri Jagannath temple. Second, Lingaraja temple. Third, Brahmeshwara temple. Fourth, Ma Samaleshwari temple, etc. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Rath Yatra, in which the principal details are put on Huxley. This gave their name to English term Jagannath. Unlike the spoons and metal icons are found in most Hindu temples, the images of Jagannath is made of wood and is ceremoniously replaced every 12 or 19 years by an exact replica. Thank you. My name is Sarthak Santosh Bogole. Today I am talk about Lonar Lake. There are 180 lakes in Maharashtra. Well known for being the Soda Saline Lake, Lonar Lake or Lonar Crater. Located in the district of Buldana of Maharashtra. It was formed after a comet or an asteroid hit the area. Fun fact, there are two distinct water regions in the lake that don't mix with each other. Thank you. My name is Tanmay Deepak Nemlekar. Today I am going to tell you one speech about Odisha Lake. Welcome to Odisha. There are 17 lakes in Odisha, but I am going to tell you only one of them. It is Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over the Puri, Khurda and Ganjam district state on the east. Daya River. Chilika Lake is the largest and one of the most popular river in Odisha. Chilika Lake My name is Urvi Vinay Rane. My school name is Pune Vidya Bhavan. I study in standard 3rd C. Today I am going to tell you about a beach in Maharashtra. There are many beaches like Malvan, Devgad and Tarkali in Sindhudurga district. Tarkali beach is 450 kilometers from Mumbai. Tarkali beach is close to my village. Tarkali beach is very clean. Tarkali beach is close to my village. Tarkali beach is very famous for scuba diving, and another famous thing there is a Sindhudurga fort. You are taken for scuba diving by ferry boats nearby Sindhudurga fort. We can play a lot of water sports at Tarkali beach. It feels so good to eat the fish on the beach. It fun to build a sand castle on the beach. When you go to the beach, don't litter there. It is everyone's responsibility to keep the beaches clean. So friends, let's start from.
Today I am going to tell you hill stations in Maharashtra and Odisha. I will tell you first in Maharashtra. First hill station is Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is Serene and quiet hill station located in Satara district of Maharashtra state. The valley of Mahabaleshwar as beautiful as any other science land space. Second is Mathiran. Mathiran is the smallest hill station of India located on the Western Ghats. Mathiran means forest on the forehead. It's cool and dense forest. This place requires time management as this is the only hill station where vehicles are not allowed. Either enjoy horse ride or any enjoyable toy train. Now I will tell you hill stations in Odisha. First I will tell you Taptapani. Surrounded by thick lush forest and packed with a plethora of enchanting hills. Taptapani as its name among the top hill station in Odisha as well as India. Second is Daringabadi. Daringabadi is popularly known as the Kashmir of Odisha. Daringabadi is famous for its natural beauty and amazing viewpoints like Rishikula River, Dulari River, Patudi waterfalls, etc. Thank you.
My name is Nirmi Prasad Veda. Today I am speaking about famous zoo in Maharashtra. There are 7 best zoos. They are first, Amtetma Art and Theory Forest. Second, Gorewalle International Park at Nagpur. Third, Rajiv Gandhi Park in Pune. Fourth, Jijamata Udyan in Mumbai. Fifth, Maharaja Bagh Zoo in Nagpur. Sixth, Siddharth Kanzayyan Zoo in Solapur. Seventh, Tursa Udyan in Pune. In this zoo, there are many animals like lion, tiger, giraffe, deer, elephant, snake, cheetah, etc. and also many birds. You can feel close to this nature by visiting this zoo. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Thank you.
My name is Ananya Anand Mohli and my teacher name is Miss Harpreet Kaur and my school name is Pune Vidya Bhavan. 5 names of zoos in Odisha are first, Nandankanan Zoological Park in Bhubaneswar. Second, Deer Park in Sambhalpur. Third, Dipakaru Elephant Camp in Nilgiri. Fourth, Sikha Aquarium in Bhubaneswar. Fifth, Marine Aquarium in Paradip. First, tigers. Second, deers. Third, elephants. Fourth, fishes. Fifth, fishes.
name is Janhavi Navnati Thape. I am studying in 3rd A. My school name is PVGS Pune Vidya Bhavan Primary English School. Today I am going to tell you some information about Maharashtra Museum. First of all, there are 55 museums in Maharashtra. I will tell you some names from them like Koi Museum, Jahangir Art Gallery, Mahatma Gandhi Museum, National Maritime Museum, Prince of Wales Museum, Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum, Shri Bhavani Mata Museum, Tarapurwala Aquarium, Trikulam Museum, Veer Mata Museum, Red Carpet Museum. I request you all, please visit all these museums. Jai Maharashtra!
Hello friends, I am Gomati. Today I am going to tell about Odisha Museum. The Odisha State Museum is focused on the area's history and environment. The beauty and culture of the state can be revisited from its museum. Odisha is home to a number of museums. Odisha State Museum is located in capital city of Bhubaneswar, founded in 1932. The museum is segregated into various sections including anthropology, archaeology, armory, art and craft, epigraphy, mining and geology, natural history, etc. The city of Bhubaneswar is also home to few more museums. Odisha Museum are the reflection of its rich history and culture, and thus missing out on visiting one of these museums is not a good idea while on a sightseeing tour. Thank you.
I myself Atara Vilin Madik from Pune Vidya Bhavan School. I am talking about Science and Research Center in Maharashtra. Science and Research Center are playing very important role in development of India. Recently, one of institute in Maharashtra is innovated and developed vaccine to cure COVID-19 pandemic. The main research centers are located in major cities of Maharashtra, and they are Homi Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, Military Institute of Technology, Pune, National Institute of Virology, Pune, Central Institute of Research on Cotton Technology, Nagpur, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Thank you.
Namaste. Myself Mudara Sandeep Rane from Vidya Bhavan Primary English School. I will be talking about the Science and Research Center in Odisha. First is the CRRI, a part of ICAR since 1966. Second is the AHRCC Center in Cuttack. It is one of the recognized cancer center in India, founded on 2nd February 1981.
Hello friends, my name is Anushka Krishna Thambe and I am studying in standard 3rd, and today my topic name is historical place in Maharashtra, and my favorite place is Shaniwar Wada. Shaniwar Wada is a historical fortification in the city of Pune in Maharashtra, India, built in 1732. It was the seat of the Peshwas to the Maratha Empire until 1818, when the Peshwas lost control to the British East India Company after the Third Anglo-Maratha War. Shaniwar Wada has 5 gates. 5,000 people live together in Shaniwar Wada. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Asin Amjad Sheikh. I am studying in 3rd A. My school name is PVG Vidyaban Primary English School in Ghatkopar. Today I am going to tell you about historical place in Odisha. Sri Jagannath Temple at Puri is famous historical place in the state of Odisha. The Puri Temple is famous for its annual Rath Yatra or Chirite festival, in which 3 principal detailed pulled and huge elaborately decorated temple car. These gave their name to the English term Juggernaut. Unlike the stone and metal icon found in most Hindu temples, the image of Jagannath temple is made of wood and is ceremoniously replaced every 12 or 19 years by an exact replica. It is one of the Char Dham. Thank you.